The chiefs of a medical startup company once worth billions of dollars have been charged with fraud in the U.S. Theranos was established by Elizabeth Holmes in 2003 when she was just a 19-year-old Stanford dropout. Within a year it had won $6 million, £4.5 million. Backing from investors attracted by Ms Holmes' desire to disrupt the industry monopoly over blood tests, and she was toasted as a rising star of Silicon Valley. Ms Holmes' former partner, Ramesh Balwani, served as president of Theranos between 2009 and 2016, the period encompassing the company's high watermark. In 2014, Forbes valued its worth at $9 billion, £6.8 billion. Ms Holmes and Mr. Balwani claimed the Theranos analyzer could perform a full range of clinical tests using tiny blood samples drawn from a finger stick, asserting that its results were more accurate, reliable and faster than those from conventional blood tests. Their claims attracted high-profile investors, including venture capital firm DFJ, media mogul Rupert Murdoch and Oracle co-founder Larry Ellison. Potential investors were told that Theranos could generate about $1 billion, £752 million in revenues, despite the company only generating profits of a few $100,000 over the 2014-15 financial year. Prosecutors say that Ms. Holmes and Mr. Balwani encouraged doctors and patients to use its blood testing laboratory services despite knowing the company could not produce accurate and reliable results, findings revealed by a 2015 Wall Street Journal investigation. USA Pharma CEO Martin Shkreli arrested on fraud charges. Ms. Holmes and Mr. Balwani face 2 counts of conspiracy to commit wire fraud and 9 counts of wire fraud. Both entered pleas of not guilty on Friday during a hearing before a federal magistrate judge in San Jose, California. This conspiracy misled doctors and patients about the reliability of medical tests that endangered health and lives, said FBI Special Agent John Bennett. Theranos said Ms. Holmes would remain chair of the company's board, despite stepping down as its CEO. She is replaced by Theranos' general counsel, David Taylor. The criminal charges came after Ms. Holmes settled civil fraud charges brought in March by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, which barred her from serving as an officer or director of a public company for 10 years. Virendra Rastogi, Gautam Majumdar and Anand Jain set up a raft of bogus metals trading companies to facilitate their elaborate fraud. Lawyers for Ms. Holmes did not respond to requests for comment. Jeffrey Coopersmith, Mr. Balwani's attorney, said his client had committed no crimes. Mr. Balwani looks forward to trial because he did not defraud anyone, and it will be an honor to defend him vigorously, said Mr. Coopersmith. Reuters contributed to this report.